Are you tired of hunting for the button block in Klaviyo's editor? Learn to add a fully clickable red button in just 6 easy steps. First, we'll insert and drag the button into place. Then, we'll set its text, link, and color, all in under 1 minute. First, click on the Add Content button to open up the content options for your email. Then, click on the button element and drag it into the place where you want it. Now, click on the text field to get ready to edit the button's label. And type in the button text, just whatever you want it to say. Next, enter the link address that the button should point to when clicked. Then click on the color option to open up the color choices. And let's choose red. That gives it a nice finish. And you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.